Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to add background color to your tables in Microsoft Word. It is quick, straightforward, and helps make your data much easier to read. First, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the table you want to format. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the specific cells, rows, or columns you want to color. If you want to shade the entire table at once, just click the small four-way arrow icon that appears in the top left corner of the table. Once your selection is made, look at the ribbon menu at the top of your screen. Because you have a table selected, a new tab called Table Design will appear. Click on it. In the middle of the Table Design ribbon, find the Shading tool. Look for the small paint bucket icon and click the drop-down arrow next to it. A color palette will drop down. Simply click the color you want, and it instantly applies to your selection. If you need an exact color match for a presentation, you can click More Colors at the bottom of that menu to type in a custom hex code. That is all there is to it. If this quick tip helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more direct, no-nonsense tutorials. Thanks for watching ClearTask, and I will see you next time.